is True Raw for TV. I have some breaking news, and that is that golf superstar Tiger Woods was injured today in a single car crash near Los Angeles. His agent, Mark Steinberg, said that Tiger Woods was in a single car accident this morning in California where he suffered multiple leg injuries. He is currently in surgery, and we thank you for your privacy and support. According to the LA County Sheriff's Department, emergency personnel responded to a rollover crash at approximately 7:12 a.m. local time and extricated Woods from the vehicle using, quote, the jaws of life. Woods' car, as you can see in this photo, sustained major damage in the crash, according to the Sheriff's Department. That's all that's known right now. I do want to say this. Uh, I wish Tiger Woods well. This is a man that has suffered a lot of scrutiny over the last several years. I believe he was involved in a couple of minor car accidents in the past. This is a man that suffered from a lot of physical injuries that has affected his play. But I want to say this. I guarantee you there's going to be a lot of speculation out there about whether he was drunk, inebriated. They're going to somehow, a lot of people are going to spin this and make it about Tiger Woods and his flaws, right? And I get that he's a star, but let's all remember how little time an actual monster, okay, how little time the mainstream sports media gave to an actual monster who brutalized his girlfriend, okay? Chad Wheeler is a literal monster. But you have people that say, well, he has mental illnesses and all this, right? But look how there's going to be so much speculation with Tiger Woods in this situation. But anyway, that's all I got to say. Tell me what you guys think.